In this video, we're going to walk you through how to make your own lemon-scented toilet fizzer tablets using a few simple ingredients. This easy step-by-step recipe makes 8 hearts and stars tablets, making it perfect for if you are making them for personal use, gifts, or even to sell on your business, as you can adjust the measurements. So let's get started. First, prepare your workspace. Before you begin, make sure you have all your ingredients laid out, pre-weighed and ready to use. Next, in a large bowl, combine 200 grams of bicarbonate of soda, 100 grams of citric acid, and 15 grams of sodium carbonate, and mix everything together until it's fully combined. Now it's time to add the essential oil. Using a pipette, carefully add 10 to 15 drops of lemon essential oil. Then mix it through with your hands until it's evenly distributed through the mixture. After that, incorporate the witch hazel. Add just a couple of drops at a time, mixing thoroughly by hand after each addition. Keep repeating until the mixture starts to hold together. We recommend 20 to 30 drops. Be careful not to add too much at once, as this can activate the bicarbonate of soda and cause the mixture to start fizzing. Once your mixture is ready, it's time to mould. Take your mould and fill it with the mixture, pressing it down firmly so it's nice and compact. Then leave it overnight to set. And by the next day, your mixture will have hardened into a small tablet. Gently remove from the mould and package it up. And that's it. Your lemon-scented toilet fizzer tablets are ready to be used, sell or gift. If you've enjoyed this video, like and subscribe for more DIY cleaning recipes and product inspiration.